Greetings and a warm welcome to all. Today it's about Rahu and Kritika from 5th of October to 12th of April 2022 in Taurus sign. It's a transit for almost 6 months and Rahu will cross Navamsha of Pisces, Aquarius and Capricorn for 2 months in each sign. Rahu and Kritika will be completely different energies than Rahu in Rohini. The calmness of moon will be replaced by the fiery sun. But still, Rahu in earthy Taurus will be much balanced and grounded. No more emotional responses of moon. Now you may experience decisiveness in nearly everyone's behavior, where it is necessary not to be harsh, go overboard with your communication, and remain gentle with your family. Any ego clash should be handled with light-hearted attitude and childlike approach, considering Sun, the Lord of Kritika, being significator of children and joyous expression, and Rahu can be the spoiler if given a chance. Let me talk about Kritika first. Kritika is a Mishra, mixed nakshatra in nature and gives equal treatment to friends and enemies both. So, no discrimination. What this means is Kritika will do its job any which ways, irrespective of the role it plays in your individual chart. Kritika is a star of fire. Whatever we put in fire will burn only and has the significance of purification by burning, giving heat and light. Kritika helps to burn any negativity of life. And the fire also is used for cooking. And we cook those things which are not right. So Kritika supports any transformation to bring light and brightness in our life. Agni as fire does both cooks and digest food, but the same fire can be destructive also, and things can turn to ashes with too much of fire. Kritika also symbolizes sword, razor, or knife, which is like two ways. It can be used to cut, to protect, and it can also hurt you if not used well. This applies to your communication also, as prominent Kritika can be very sarcastic in the way they talk, capable to criticize in a hurting way. With Kritika, there is insensitiveness. Hurting others by action or words comes very easily with this nakshatra. There is inbuilt power or force, physical and creative both, but it's passive in nature. It needs external support to activate its power. We actually have to lit the fire. Talking about Sun is the king of the solar system, the planet of confidence, our expression, our soul. And Sun is all fired up with Rahu's energy to get things done. The power of Sun should be used for the right reasons. As this nakshatra rules war, battles, disputes for justice and human rights. Remember, Sun is the king. He has to protect his public, his mass, his kingdom. Rahu in Kritika Nakshatra will fight for justice. Rahu has great courage, is a risk taker, but it is important to choose our battle. If it is worth, as Rahu in Kritika can be stubborn and egoistic. A small spark of Sun's Nakshatra Kritika can become bright light when Rahu falls in Kritika. As Rahu makes things bigger than expectation, it creates illusion. We have Ketu in Anuradha, which is asking for big sacrifices, letting go. And now we have Rahu in Kritika, which is triggering all our desires, gives power to fulfill them. We can easily let go anything. If there is on the other side, we have something that fuels us, Rahu and Kritika will work as a balancing factor and will ease the task of Ketu in Anuradha. Now you won't feel very emotional about letting go, and it would be like part of your life. You will take it easily. So far, Rahu was in Rohini. Emotions were backing us. But Rahu and Kritika will be like triggering action. You will actually act upon what you have thought earlier. Rahu amplifies whatever it touches. Rahu creates desires in us, and Kritika throws light on it by expressing and acting on it. Rahu will fulfill all these desires, like having status, power, name, fame. Rahu can also tempt you to use any means and achieve, have success. But it is best to be on the right path. Fight for the right reason and do things which are in the benefit of everyone. If you want to check Rahu being malefic or benefic, and that will mainly depend on the dispositor, the house lord where Rahu sits, and that is Venus when Rahu is in Taurus. But the nakshatra lord will actually give the results. So Kritika, its Lord Sun and its strength will finally decide how will be your Rahu in Kritika will behave. Sun in fire sign will shine the brightest as there is continuous fuel, energy to keep going. Sun in earth sign will be stable. You will achieve things in a slow and steady manner. Sun in air sign will again have necessary fuel in terms of wind to burn, and airy sun will spread very fast. Sun is weakest when in water sign and requires good efforts to sustain. Rahu will have intelligence of sun this time. And if sun is dignified in transit and also in your natal chart, then there will be all the quality of sun being authoritative, discipline, royalty, loyalty, and very expressive. Now, when Rahu is in Taurus, it will put a check on your value system, your five senses, and have control over it. Give importance to your family and relations over wealth, your possessions, or any ego clash. The strong energy of Rahu can be used to secure our future with strong bond with our family. Family is our treasure. Taurus is an earth sign that deals with the practicalities of life. And Rahu is happy being in Taurus. Taurus provides sense of self-worth to Rahu. And Rahu is hungry for that. Taurus feeds everything to this Rahu. That's why Rahu is happy in Taurus. Rahu in Kritika will actually expose the truth. Remember, during the churning of the ocean, Rahu was exposed by sun and moon. So, whatever you do, good or bad, will be exposed. See, we are talking about sun ruled nakshatra. There has to be something of great moral, nothing ordinary with the king's son. The struggle, the battle would be on a ground up high moral, dignity, and integrity, higher cause, or some great purpose. On a negative side, the battle can be for ego clash, for false pride, being angry, stubborn, or wanting to be powerful, controlling and dominating others. Even cheating can be very easily done with this Rahu and Kritika. Rahu and Kritika encourages to reflect on your worth, where your senses have its finest expression and how you value it. Rahu will give you that courage, will make you bold enough to express your creativity and make it hit for you. You must be waiting for such hit since long. And here it is for you to give your best. I'll be giving you few key areas of your life where you can use this energy of Rahu and Kritika and make it successful for yourself. You need to look upon the Taurus sign in your chart and the placement of Sun, its lordship in your chart. Start with Aries. Aries, your face value will increase. Your speech, the way you talk, can impress others. Your family, your finances will get better. Possession can increase, but watch on your diet. There are chances of overeating and harsh communication. Taurus, your personality will shine. Focus on yourself, developing healthy ego. Be independent, having confidence and encouraging others by your example. Gemini can best use this time to develop some hobby, skills. Invest in your self improvement by surrendering to nature and go with the flow. Cancer, your desires will be fulfilled by developing connections and building good relation with your network. Leo will have big ground to rule, have authority in true sense to fulfill your ambitions and to make best use of your creativity. This is the time to express yourself fully. Virgo will have strength in their knowledge, but should learn to have open mind, accept new ideas, reform their belief system, and explore a higher state of mind. Libra should focus on changing, transforming their values and how they use their skill for the betterment of the society and their network in general. Scorpio will be dealing with many new faces, successfully bringing harmony and balancing themselves with others while working in partnerships by giving and fulfilling commitments. Sagittarius can work on to be fit and healthy, being organized, methodical, and perfect in their work. But do not be critical towards your own self. Capricorn will learn to express themselves creatively, have childlike enthusiasm, take risks, and treat life as a game. Aquarius will create their foundation, home, inner harmony by establishing their own family and better social relationships. This way, they can have security and stability. Pisces, your words, communication can make wonders for you. Also, travel can bring some benefit. Use your courage and strength to create something exceptional. That's all for all 12 ascendants. To conclude, we have Jupiter and Saturn trying to this Rahu. So there is complete check on all the activities done. Jupiter and Saturn combination can give perfect touch to any task at hand. This time can be best used for expressing your talents, which you were not sure of or was underconfident. Rahu will provide you that courage to make it public, express it well, and have success in that also. Rahu in Kritika in Taurus is capable to give you good lifestyle and that has all the luxuries and pleasures. Take care of your diet, your health, your communication, and make most of this transit. My best wishes to everyone. Do write in your comments and queries. Thank you for your time and check out this channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye for now.